Hi guys, it's Sky, and today I am going to be making another video on my channel. So sorry if I haven't been posting really often because school started, and also I was sick a couple of days. My voice is kind of cringy, so yeah, I was sick the couple of days and I couldn't even make videos. I was going to make a video, but no. So today, today's video is tips on how to make your very own successful YouTube channel. Yeah. So I'm just going to be giving y'all some tips on how to make your own successful YouTube channel today. So before I get on with the video, make sure to subscribe, smash that like button, and turn on your post notifications by hitting the bell icon down below so y'all never ever miss a video on my channel when I post daily. I don't know if I will post daily, but yeah. So let's get started. So, tip number 1. Your camera. So your camera, you could use a GoPro, maybe a Polaroid, I don't know. Regular camera, phone camera, yeah. If y'all use a phone camera or an iPad camera, always use the back because it's more bright and vivid. It's very bright and not blurry, because if y'all use your front camera, it's kind of blurry, I don't know. And from the back, it's really bright. So if y'all are using your back camera, make sure that you have someone to film your video for you, because how are you going to make a video with your back camera? How? So yeah. Number 2. Lighting. So the lighting, I have my window lighting and this original lighting. So so we were back on the lighting thing. So I don't really use artificial lighting because I like my natural lighting in my videos, because my natural lighting is more bright. Get it? And my artificial lighting, it's bright, but I don't really like using that bright of lighting. So if y'all like to use artificial lighting, just so y'all can use artificial lighting. So yeah. Let's go to number 3. So number 3 is the background. So as y'all can see, I have this star background thing over here that I made by myself. I have this messy yellow chair over here, this office desk thing, and then that the window. So yeah, my background's kind of smushed all over the place. It's just crazy all over the place. But your background, so your background, you need something very colorful and white, not yellow or anything, white, because your video just looks even brighter like that. And your background has to be colorful. And I've seen lots of YouTubers, their background's very white, vivid, let's say Annie Rose. So her background's very white, so I'm giving her a shout out on my channel. She doesn't know me. I watch her videos, so if Annie Rose, if you're watching this, please subscribe. And fun fact, Annie Rose lives in Texas, and I do too. I don't really know what community she lives in, but I live in, I'm not telling y'all. So, number 4. So number 4 is whip. So number 4 is like, you know, like your look. Number 4 is your look. So like whenever you're making a YouTube video, you need a bright look. As you can see, I put like a face mask on me and my face is still like, oh wait, like my face is really white, but it looks really dark on camera. Yeah, I think that's like the natural lighting up there. So anyways, your look has to be really white, like really white, like beautiful, fancy, whatever. But your look has to be good for your YouTube video because some people, you don't get them because their look, maybe they're wearing some ugly clothes in their video, maybe they're wearing some dark clothes in their video. I don't know, but just wear something bright and that stands out in your YouTube video. So number 5, and this is actually the last tip on making your successful YouTube channel. So just follow all these tips. That's a fact. Okay? So number 5, the editing process. So when you're done like with your video, you need to edit it. So you can edit it by using, oh my gosh, you can edit it by using a computer, or you could edit it with something else. I don't know. I just use a computer to edit mine. But tell me in the comment down below if y'all have a YouTube channel and what do y'all edit it with. So comment that down below. Why does this hand look so dark and this hand so light? Can y'all see that? So that was the end of my video. I hope y'all liked it and I hope y'all followed all these tips to make a successful YouTube channel, and I hope your YouTube channel is successful just like mine and all of the other global YouTubers around the world. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, and yeah. Bye. Peace.